Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon ay maggagawa tayo ng virgin coconut oil with Emily. You see? They're sad. Okay, gagawa tayo ngayon ng virgin coconut oil. Hear that?
Oil?
Virgin coconut oil.
Making that.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna take out the water inside. And then we will drink it. So we're gonna we're gonna pick which one is the soft one. The soft part of these three dark spots.
I'll choose it.
Which one? The soft one. Push it like that.
Oh,
Okay,
that one.
that one. Okay. So Amy said this one. So we're gonna try. We're gonna poke it with the knife. Eh! There you go. You see that? This is how you take out the water. It might be not good because it's about we just bought it in Walmart.
Ingles.
I mean Ingo. Okay. From the coconut. I don't know if it's good. No. Don't. Okay. Salty. It's try it. Sorry. It's not fresh. Hindi siya fresh kaya it don't taste good. The water don't taste good because it's not fresh. Ready? Maybe it's different when it's it has water inside. Maybe it's ready? Yeah. What are you doing? Got it. Why didn't you use the sharp? Ta-da! the oil. This is the oil that I made today. I'm so excited.